Today we're going to make upgraded instant ramen along with steamed pumpkin and shabu-shabu salad. Let's take a simple instant salt-flavored ramen and turn it into a delicious veggie-packed meal. Start by cutting up some garlic chives, peel the carrot, then use a peeler to shape it into thin ribbons. This gives it a delicious texture that cooks quickly. Heat some oil in a frying pan over high heat. Once the oil is hot, toss in the chives and a carrot. Stir fry just until they begin to soften, then add in the bean sprouts. Season with a bit of salt and pepper, and stir fry everything together until just tender. Set the vegetable aside. Now let's cook the ramen. Bring a small pot of water to a boil. Add the noodle and cook according to the package instructions. We are using salt-flavored ramen here, but any instant ramen works fine. Once the noodles loosen up, stir in the seasoning packed and continue cooking until the noodles are tender. Transfer the noodles and roast to the bowl. And top with the stir-fried vegetables. Finish with a sprinkle of white sesame seeds. Enjoy your upgraded instant ramen! Today we're making simmered Kabocha squash, a classic Japanese side dish. Start by washing the pumpkin well. Use a knife, gently shave off some of the skin in patches. This helps the flavors soak in. Then, cut the pumpkin into bite-sized pieces. Be careful, the pumpkin is quite firm. In a pot, combine water, cooking sake, sugar, soy sauce, and mirin. Bring the mixture to boil. Once it's boiling, add the pumpkin with the skin side facing down. Cover with the lid and reduce to low heat. Let it simmer gently for about 10 minutes. When you can poke the pumpkin easily with chopsticks, it's ready. Tender, sweet, and savory, this simple dish is full of comfort. Next, we're making a refreshing pork shabu-shabu salad. Let's start by preparing the dressing. In a bowl, mix vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, grated garlic, white sesame seeds, and finely chopped green onion. Stir well until combined. Next, wash the Mizuna greens thoroughly and trim off the roots. Roughly chop them into bite-sized pieces. Now bring a pot of water to a boil. Add thinly sliced pork and gently swish it in the hot water until fully cooked. This method helps remove excess fat and keeps the pork tender. Arrange the mizuna and pork on a plate. Add and pour the dressing over the top. Now it's ready!